Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So before we get started, don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell button so you won't miss any notifications when I post a new video. I got my first ever Ipsy Glambag. One of my friends sent me a free gift, my first bag free, and so I can continue. And I've been wanting to do it, I just haven't signed up, and it's like now she's pushing me to do it. And I don't buy a lot of makeup, but this would be a great alternative to you know, broadening my horizon, get to try like sample sizes of the most expensive products and see if it's worth the money, or see if there's some drugstore products that I even haven't wanted to try and I just don't want to fork up the bucks and it just go wrong. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. It opens on the other side, but my address is on that side, so I don't want to show you that. So some of the stuff didn't come in the bag, I see. First product that I got is this Natural Recipe Tea Tree Calming and Smoothing Facial Mask. It claims to have tea tree leaf extract that helps relieve redness and irritation, nourish your skin, and nature's gift. The second thing that didn't actually come in the bag is this Nature Recipe Honey. So if a honey is rich with nutrients that revitalize the skin, nourish your skin with nature's gift. So they're about 20 to 30 minute masks, and then like any other mask, you know, clean your face, apply your skin toner, put the mask on, wait about 30 minutes, and then when you remove it, you massage the rest of the serum that's left on your face into your skin. So definitely be using these for my Mask Mondays. But this is the bag that the rest of the things have come in. So I'm gonna open it. The first thing I see is a brush. So I definitely will be adding it to my collection, and I love blending brushes because they put on your makeup so much easier than the other precise brushes. So depending on what type of look you're going for, this is going to be like the perfect brush. So I'm going to go ahead, since I'm already recording the video, and take this out the plastic and put this with the rest of my brushes, add it to the collection. The next thing that comes in here is a NYX soft matte lip cream. I used to have a ton of these, but when I moved I didn't really wear makeup, so I had to throw away a lot of these because remember I told you about the thing that's on the back. It has the little jar on the back, and this one says 18 months from the time you open it, not the time that you receive it. So definitely going to be using this color. You know what, I'm going to go ahead and open it now and swatch it and see. And this is in the color Paulo. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I'll put it right here on the screen for you. And then go ahead and I can tell it's already really matte because it's kind of like, once it came out, it's kind of hard to spread. So I don't know if that's going to be a good or a bad thing. And this is the color. I'll be definitely trying that in a future video. The next thing that is in the bag says not a perfume, but I think it is a perfume. It's by Juliette Has a Gun. Let's see. This one has a 30-month expiration date. Oh, see, and it does. It looks like a little perfume, but it says not a perfume. But it is a it is a perfume. But it's, the name of the company is Juliette Has a Gun, and it says not a perfume. But it says it's not like any other perfume you would have tried. So a smell test. Oh, it smells really good. It's very soft and subtle. like I can still smell it, but it's not too overpowering. So this is the type of perfume you wear around, like if you work in the office or gonna be around children or people that a lot of people that you don't know they have allergies to like smell. This is a good settle scent. I can't even describe it because it's like kind of fading a little bit, but I can still smell it. It smells like grown and sexy. I don't know, it smells good. Alright, the last thing that I have in my Ipsy Glambag is a Eyeko London Travel Size Skinny Liquid Eyeliner, Line and Define. Yes, hunty. So, let's see. So it's just a liquid eyeliner. It has a life expectancy of 6 months. And a lot of things I'm going to probably have to use because I've started to already open them. But see how black this is. Oh, wow. This is really black. So, and I don't even have eyeliner on. So, I've just noticed that I messed up my video that you've seen before this, which I'll link up at the cards and above me, but gives me a chance to try this. So let's see. It's really matte and it's kind of hard to go on. I don't know if it's because of my primer I have on underneath of it or if that's just the way this is, but I'm going to try it with the other eye. They kind of, like, you see, compared to this one, which I had to keep going over top, it gives you like this straight line. Usually my liquid eyeliner I can just go straight across and it creates kind of a thicker line, but I think because of the tip, how skinny it is, I have to go back and make a thicker line if I want it, and it dries really quickly. I don't know, I'm going to have to play around with it, but I really like it. It's very pigmenty, very matte, and dries very quickly. The only thing I can say about it is just I would have to get used to it, and it's really hard to go on. So it might have to be something I practice with, but I'll continue to use it in different videos. And I think it's because I just noticed it says it's smudge proof. So it's supposed to really dry down and be really dry so that it won't move if you like were to put it on your bottom line or if your face was to get wet. So let's see. And then yeah, because I'm rubbing this and it's not moving at all. So that's a good thing about it. But again, it said I might have to just play around with it and see if I like it. It is a travel size one, something little, and it's something just for me to try. So that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it and want to see continuous videos on my Ipsy Glambag, I might go ahead and fork up the buck of $10 a month, which isn't that bad, and go ahead and get another one and show you guys what I got in it. Or if you guys are wanting to try it, I can go ahead and put a link down in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you can go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up if you like, notification button so you won't miss any more uploads by me, and I'll catch you guys in my next upload. Bye.